Good afternoon, welcome to Mathematics Avenue. There's a question on plane geometry, angles. And so we should find the angle marked with letters in the diagram below. This is a diagram. There are letters N and then M from the diagram. Then we are asked to find the values of these two letters here. Angle SUV has been given as 36 degrees. QPR has been given as 115 degrees. Angle PRT is given as N. TRU is given as M. And these are the two letters we are finding from the diagram here. Now from angle SUV and then angle TUR, the two angles facing each other directly. When these two lines TV and then RS, they meet at U, the two angles facing each other directly, they give rise to vertically opposite angles. So we can say that angle TUR, which is the angle created here, is vertically opposite to angle SUV, the angle created here. So angle TUR equal to angle SUV. The reason that vertically opposite angles. This implies that angle TUR is equal to 37 degrees. Now that we have angle, this one to be 37 degrees, we can go ahead and find the value of M. Because angle M, this 90 and then the 37 here, they are interior angles in triangle RTU. So we can say that from triangle RTU, angle R plus angle T plus angle U is equal to 180 degrees. That's the sum of interior angles of a triangle. Angle R is given as M. Angle T is given as 90. And then angle U has just been found as 37 degrees, all summing up to give 180 degrees. From here, I can say that M plus 127 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. M is equal to 180 degrees minus 127 degrees. M is equal to 53 degrees. Now that we have our M, we can go ahead and then find our N. Now, from these two parallel lines here, we can identify M from the angle here and the angle here. And what property are we using? We are using the co-interior angle property here. We can say that angle QPR plus angle PRS, this is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is co-interior angles, and they sum up to 180 degrees. Angle QPR from the question is given as 115 degrees. Angle PRS from the question is made up of N and then M. N plus M, all summing up to 180 degrees. From here, I have 115 plus N. M has been identified as 53 degrees. So 53 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now grouping our like terms, we have N equals 180 minus summing these two and then bringing it to the side is giving us 168 degrees. We are getting our value of n to be 12 degrees. I hope this was easy to understand. Thank you. See you another day.